Hi, I'm Maeve with Garmin Product Support, and today I'm going to change the data fields on my Edge 830. Press and hold the power key to turn on the Edge. Tap the menu icon on the screen and select Activity Profiles. Here you can create a new activity profile or select the profile you want to configure. In this menu, you can choose to add a new data screen or configure other screens such as Screen 1. For this video, I'm going to select Add New. Now you will see different options for data field types. I'm going to select Data Screen. This is where you can choose different data field options, such as speed or distance. For this video, I'm going to select the popular option. Select the fields you would like to see displayed. Once you have selected your data fields, tap the back arrow and select the checkmark icon. If prompted, you will now have the option to change the layout that you want to use when writing. Once completed, tap the arrow in the right corner. Now you can view the page you have set up and can also change the data fields if desired by selecting a field. Once completed, tap the checkmark icon. Tap the checkmark icon and you now have the option to add a new data screen or hit the back button to exit. To verify that the changes you made have been saved, navigate back to the main menu and select the activity profile and scroll through your data fields to ensure they're exactly how you need them to be. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, go to support.garmin.com.